Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payments from Deel Merchant of Record, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw payments from Deel Merchant of Record, start by logging into your Deel account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Payments section on your dashboard. Click on Payments to access your payment options. You will see an overview of your available funds. Select the option to withdraw funds. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the list provided. If you are using a bank transfer, enter your bank details carefully. For other withdrawal methods, follow the specific instructions provided on the screen. Next, indicate the amount you wish to withdraw. Review your withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. After confirming that the information is accurate, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your withdrawal status. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. Be sure to check your account for the funds after the processing period. If you encounter any issues, contact Deel's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.